Welcome to the 2020 NEAFCS Virtual Annual Session Accelerant Platform Run-Through. We will begin by looking for an email from Accelerant confirming your participation in the virtual meeting and requesting you to create a login and password. Your password will only be accessible by you, so please do not forget it. Save this email so you have access to the site each and every day of the meeting and up to 30 days post-meeting to view on-demand content. Once you have created your login and password, you will be able to enter into the event site. This is where you will find the virtual silent auction, learn more about the President's Charities, invitation to participate in the Quilting Service Project, Utah Marketplace, attendee trivia, and more. You can also access this video from the Learn More tab throughout the meeting. Please note, the Accelerant platform automatically adjusts to your local time zone. This is important to know. Although we have promoted all schedules in the Mountain Time Zone, the platform adjusts to local time, so please keep that in mind. Also on the event site, you will find the agenda. Here you can sort by date, track, speaker, or use the search feature to customize your search. Once you selected sessions to participate in or starred for future reference, they will show up here. I highly suggest you begin by pre-registering for your sessions and networking opportunities. You are required to register for sessions prior to participating in them, so the sooner you can complete this step, the better. When viewing the agenda, you can click once to expand the description or double-click on the title of the session to view additional content. From the agenda, you can also click on the speakers to learn more about them. If you want to save a session for future consideration but not add it to your agenda quite yet, click the star. These will show up in the My Interests section at the top. If you want to add a session to your agenda, click on Register. This will change from Register to Attending, which will show up in green. All pre-registered sessions and activities will show up under your My Sessions section at the top. From the event site, you can view our annual session sponsors. Click on their image to be directed to their website. The Speakers tab will display all registered speakers. Click on the speaker profile to learn more about them and see what sessions that they are offering. Exhibit and Posters tab will display all exhibitors and Showcase of Excellence poster presentations that will be found in the Virtual Expo Hall. From the event site, you can click on the exhibitor booths, large and medium size, to be taken to their website. All sponsors are marked with a premium banner. Poster, shown as small booth, will be only display title from this site. Lastly, from the event site, you can view the virtual silent auction. Bidding will officially open on September 8th and close at 10 a.m. Mountain Time on September 16th. For detailed instructions on how to bid, visit the Learn More tab on this event site, or you can view this information on the NEAFCS Annual Session website. On Monday, September the 14th, the Event Hub will officially open. Once you log in and access the event site, you will be able to click on the Enter Event button. First step, Monday morning, update your attendee profile. This can be found in the activity area at the top of the screen and will display your name. Add your profile picture and other information you want other attendees and speakers to know about you. Here is where you will see the lobby. The lobby displays the news feed, gamification, and agenda. Please note that this is where you will want to view the full agenda. Consider the agenda your overall schedule that shows everything happening each day, whereas the following tabs break down the different activities based on type. Keep in mind, the different tabs do not display the full daily picture. Again, the lobby agenda is where you want to view the full daily agenda. The networking options are also listed within the lobby agenda. If any require you to register to participate, you can do so here. However, you will want to access them from the actual networking or workshop tab when it comes time for participation. The main stage is where the opening session and closing session will take place. Again, registration is required and should be completed through the lobby agenda. The Sessions tab is where you will find all of the educational sessions, including the pre-conference workshops, concurrent sessions, Ignite presentations, exhibitor forums, wellness activities, business meetings, and other special events. Within the event site, you can access materials that have been uploaded from the presenters by clicking on their session description. Here is where you will also find CE PDU codes for those sessions that were approved by AFCPE specifically. When you are attending a presentation, you will have chat access only, no video. You may answer questions, participate in polls, and more. If sessions run over their allotted time, a notification will pop up asking if you want to leave and join the next session or if you'd like to stay. Attendees can pause the video, however, you will pick up where you left off and not be able to fast forward to catch up. If you arrive to a session late, you again will pick up where the live feed is. To view the session in full, you can watch the recording that will be available shortly after the presentation is over. On the networking tab, you can use the lobby agenda to sign up for the networking. These breaks will randomly match attendees for a one-on-one video chat lasting for a duration of 2 minutes. Once the timer hits 0, attendees will be rematched with a new partner. This pattern will repeat for the duration of the session, allowing attendees to interact with a number of new people. The workshops, also the roundtable discussions, the discussion topics have been pre-assigned, and attendees can jump in and out based on their personal schedule. Each workshop is limited to 16 participants to allow for a more personalized conversation. If the workshop you want to get into is full when you attempt to join, we recommend you just give it a few moments, try again at a later time, as attendees can jump in and out as they wish. Again, you will register for the workshops within the lobby agenda. On the Expo and Poster tab, you can view all exhibit booths and Showcase of Excellence poster presentations by accessing this tab. For the exhibitors, booths will show if the representatives are available or away. Sponsors will be marked as premium booths. You can access the expo hall at any time throughout the virtual schedule. However, exhibitors are only required to be present at their booths during the dedicated exhibit hall time. If you click on the exhibitor you want to meet with, attendees will have the following opportunities with each exhibitor. You can meet via live video, live chat conversations, access company details, offers, products, download materials and links, and request a meeting with representatives. If you don't want to talk to an exhibitor live, you still have the opportunity to access their booth to view and download materials, links, and more. If an exhibitor is also presenting an exhibit forum, their booth should be linked to their presentation. You can view the exhibit forum schedule within the overall agenda. The Showcase of Excellence and poster presentations. The poster presentations will be set up in the hall and noted with poster in the title. You can access the expo hall to view posters at any time throughout the virtual schedule. However, poster presenters, just like exhibitors, are only required to be present during their dedicated time. Click on the poster you want to view. Posters will have the same ability of interaction as exhibitors. Meet via live video, live chat conversations, access details, offers, products, download materials and links, and request a meeting with the representative. Live video is available for posters who have set up a Zoom connection only. If the Showcase of Excellence poster is also presenting an Ignite session, their poster presentation should be linked to their Ignite presentation. You can view the Ignite schedule within the overall agenda. On the People tab of your virtual event hub, attendees can send an invitation to connect with each other. If the request is accepted, the now connected attendees can request and set up a one-on-one video meeting with each other. They can send a meeting invite for a specific date and time, or just request to connect. These will show up in your notifications at the top of the page. Speaking of the top of the page, you will note a few icons that this is also called the activity area. The calendar icon will display My Meetings. This is where all of your appointments are. If you set meetings with exhibitors or other attendees, you'll be able to start your meeting from here. The Bell tab will display your notifications. If someone requests a meeting or requests to be connected with you, you'll see a red notification badge here. The Profile. This is where you can add your profile picture and add other information. You may also set whether you want people to send you a direct message or not. Make sure to click Submit at the bottom of the form to make sure your changes are saved. A few reminders. Again, the Accelevent platform automatically adjusts to your local time. This is very important. We have promoted all schedules in the Mountain Time Zone, but the platform adjusts to your local time. Keep that in mind. We recommend that you use the lobby agenda instead of reviewing the PDF program book that's available on the NEAFCS website. Chrome is the recommended browser for Accelevent. It is the only one proven to work with it. We highly recommend you use Chrome to ensure you can access all features without any issues. If you do not already have Chrome on your computer, please consider downloading it ahead of time and installing it so that it can be ready to go on Monday morning for the first session. Don't forget to update your attendee profile and register for sessions and activities. Content and material are available on this platform 30 days post-meeting. This includes all educational session, wellness activities, pre-conference workshops if a ticket was purchased in advance, and more. After the conclusion of the event on September 16th, when you enter into the Event Hub, you will see View Recordings where the Register button was located. These recordings will become available just moments after the session has completed. During the meeting, don't forget to participate in the NEAFCS trivia game sponsored by Fresh Baby. This information was emailed to attendees prior to the start of the meeting. More details can be found on the Event Hub and on the NEAFCS website. In addition, rack up points to get on the leaderboard by participating in visiting attendees' booths and posters for 5 points each, downloading materials, 5 points per download, chatting, whether with exhibitors or attendees, for 20 points, and receive 1 point for each activity within the platform. Don't forget to visit the Event Hub daily to bid on silent auction, learn more about our President's Charities, invitation to participate in the Quilting Service Project, how to support local Utah vendors, and more. Lastly, don't forget to participate in the Happy Hour, sponsored by American Income Life Insurance Company Special Risks Division, on Tuesday, September the 15th. Information can be found within the platform and on the NEAFCS website.